today good morning guys. I'm going to be making a breakfast toast. It's one of my favorite ones. It's so yummy. So basically it's going to be an almond butter, you can use peanut butter too, banana bread. So we're first going to take our bread and put it in the toaster. I don't know if it fits. I'm using sourdough. You can use any type of bread that you want to. And then I'm going to put it in. I guess I have to do it twice, because it doesn't fit. Alright, so while that's cooking, I'm going to peel my banana. It's not like super ready. It's better when it's browner. But I'm going to pull off two sides and leave a little thing like that. And we're going to use that as a cutting board. The first thing I'm going to use is this Earth Balance. It's vegan butter and it's soy free. Honestly, it tastes so good. And it's spreadable, so it doesn't have to sit out. I recommend not burning your bread if possible, like I did. The next thing you're going to do is go in with your almond butter. This Kirkland organic one is my favorite because it's so smooth and creamy. And I like to load it up. This is kind of like the main thing, so. Oh. Look at how delicious that looks. Wipe that excess off. It's gonna be so good. Then we have our little tray of banana here. Ooh, cool. And this is working well. Like to arrange them so that each bite gets a good bit. Cool, don't have enough banana.
Just gonna waste the banana. Half a banana gone now.
So good. No, bye.
Bye.
So the next thing, once you get your bananas out how you want them, you're gonna drizzle. Don't do too much. This is not a maple syrup thing. And then the final touch, again, you don't want too much. Yes! I'm so excited. Oh my god, doesn't that look delicious?
Voila!
Woohoo!
You're not. You are.
Woohoo!
Your arms aren't in it.
Alright. Woohoo!
You look fake. Do one more.
Woohoo!
You aren't in focus. I'm just kidding.
Alright, let's try this thing. Oh my god. This is so good. And it's not bad for you. Like, it tastes like dessert, but it's so amazing. Okay. Like, go to the grocery store and buy this right now. Make it at home. Comment below if you guys do it and what you think of it. This is definitely like one of my favorite things in the world to eat. So good, so fast, so cheap and easy to make. If you guys like this video and you want more cooking content from me, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, hit that big subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you next week. Bye!